Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude in Excel to work on it. So we will need to integration. So firstly what we are going to do is just blank workbook, open up a new one like so. Alright. Now navigate to the home tab right here, as you can see. And right here you will see some add-ins. So click on it, and now simply what you can do is just search for Claude. Claude for Microsoft 365. You can click on Add, wait a few moments here. In the right side it will open up, and what you need to do now is just log in with the correct code. We see code right here. All right. So you will need to use Claude and Microsoft Office. So you will need Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plan for Claude to join in this uh, connection, Claude and Excel. If you have it, then you will be redirected to logged in, and after that you will see it right icon right over here, and now you can basically talk with Claude right here in Excel and tell him what to do in this sheet. And this is basically pretty much it, how you can use Claude in Excel. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next